Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to turn off Meta AI on Instagram. So first of all, launch Instagram application on your mobile devices. Now, once you come here, tap on the DM section at the bottom of your screen. Now from here, tap on the Meta AI conversation. Now over here, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see an eye icon. Tap on it. Now over here, you'll see the option of mute. Tap on it. Now over here, turn on the toggle for mute messages. Now select the option of until I change it. You can also turn on the toggle for hide message previews so that they don't show previews in push notifications as well. So this is the only way through which you could turn off Meta AI on Instagram, and this update is set default by Instagram after its latest update, so you cannot fully remove it. So this is the only way through which you can turn off Meta AI from Instagram. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.